Now that we've got all the holes marked, this is marked for the front support rods. Let's see, where's the bracket at? So this will go here. This is for the chassis mounted bracket that holds up the bottom of the spoiler. Let's get you a good look at it. So basically what it's doing, it's going to go into the hole that we marked, and in the other video this is the hole that it comes through, but you have the splitter that is covering this that already has the hole marked or drilled in the splitter. So as you can see, the outside driver's side bracket will be here, the center bracket will come through here. There's the hole marked for the top, and then the passenger side bracket will come through here, and here's the hole marked for the top of that bracket, along with the other two holes for the strut rod bracket. To mount the chassis support brackets with this hole, this one, and this one, come to the bottom. We have nut certs already attached to the brackets. So this will be the center bracket that holds this one. We haven't marked it yet, but then you go to the top, line the front of the bracket to the front of this crash bar, mark your hole, drill it, put a nut cert in it. Same thing with this one. And same thing with the third one. Mark all three. Put nut certs in them. And tighten it up. These are the integrity plates for the Hellcat. And where they go, move your light real quick. Where they go is here. We've already put the rib nuts in, here and here. And when you come inside, it just lays in like that. And then on the other side, we haven't put it in there yet, but we've marked the holes from placing the splitter up, marking the holes, and then we'll come inside and put the other integrity. Okay, starting with the center of the splitter here, and then you're going to skip a hole, come to this one. Now back to center, I'm going to skip a hole, come to this one, and what we're doing is we're putting in a plastic 1/4 inch spacer. And what this does is take the gap away from the lip of the front spoiler. Just like that. Then we'll leave it loose, get all the other ones. You see this one is there, the middle one. Skip a hole, and then go to the next one, and you see it's there as well.